Hi, I'm Patrick from Naples Botanical Garden. I work in the education department, and today we're going to be talking about some gardening techniques involving seed saving, in particular from your greens. So this had been my mustard plant, which I harvested for mustard greens, though a couple weeks ago it did decide to start flowering, and so it bolted. It started to produce flowers, which then got pollinated and produced little seed pods. You can see there's still some here. These are the last ones. They're not quite all the way dry, but we have some here that are nice and really dry, and you can just carefully take one of those off because they get very brittle when they dry out, and then the seeds will very easily come out of them. But when you do, you'll get little tiny brownish black seeds that look like this, and those seeds you can then save in a manila envelope or any regular envelope and save those for next planting season. Though it is still March, you can still plant them now. I did that. I have a couple of seedlings that are sprouting from some seeds I planted, but after this month it's going to start getting warmer, and so you're not going to really want to be planting mustard or other greens as we get into summer. Thank you.